Assalamu alaikum students, I'm your teacher Zain Ali and we will start our new chapter about the sound. The sound of cars, the music, the chatting in the class, or clapping by the children. We are surrounded by different kind of sounds. So what is sound? Sound is a pressure wave which is created by a vibrating object. This vibration sets particles of the surrounding medium in vibrational motion, thus transporting energy through the medium. Sound is produced when object vibrate. When an object vibrates, it sets the particle in the air in vibrational motion, and this disturbance travels and reaches our ears, so we can listen to the sound. Sound is a form of energy, and because of this energy, the particles of the medium vibrate. Sound is a longitudinal wave. Unlike the transverse wave where particles go up and down perpendicular to the line of propagation, in sound waves particles do vibratory motion along the line of propagation. Particles make two types of region. First, where the particles are compressing is the compression zone, and the second where the particles are spreading out is the rarefaction zone. Sound needs a material medium for propagation. It can be solid, liquid or gas medium. Because if there are no particles, there is nothing which can carry this disturbance to your ears. You can also see a bell jar experiment on the page number 21. The next topic of the chapter sound is characteristics of sound. There are three characteristics of sound. Number 1, loudness. 2 is the pitch. 3 is the quality. Loudness. Loudness is the characteristic of sound by which a faint and loud sound can be distinguished. For example, Assalamu alaikum students. Assalamu alaikum students. Loudness depends on three factors: amplitude, area of vibrating body, distance from the vibrating body. Amplitude is the maximum amount of displacement of a particle from its mean position. Means when we beat a drum forcefully, amplitude of its membrane increases and we hear a loud sound. Area of vibrating body. If the area of vibrating body is larger, then loud sound will produce, and if the area of vibrating body is small, the faint sound will produce. In this case, the larger drum will produce a loud sound. Distance from the vibrating body. Loudness of the sound depends on the distance of vibrating body. When the distance between you and the vibrating body increases, the sound gets fainter. It is caused by the decrease in the amplitude due to increase in distance. The pitch. Pitch is the characteristic of sound by which we can distinguish between a shrill and a grave sound. Pitch has a direct relation with frequency. A higher pitch means a higher frequency. Ladies and children have a shrill sound, that's why they have more frequency. Men usually have a grave sound, that's why they have less frequency. The quality. The characteristic of sound by which we can distinguish between two sounds of the same loudness and pitch is called the quality. Due to this characteristic, we can distinguish between the sound of a clarinet and flute. I hope now you have clear understanding of the characteristics of sound. Thank you, students.